Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with the Poultry site, and today we're here with Dr. Xandra Smith. She is the Director of Innovation and Product Development for Arm & Hammer Animal and Food Production. Thanks for being with us today.
It's great to be here.
Today we're at the Arm & Hammer Research and Innovation Lab here in Wisconsin, and it's so delightful to be here. I drove up today, and it's this kind of brick building, unassuming brick building from the outside with the Arm & Hammer logo up in the corner, and then you walk in and see all of this innovation going on, all these labs, everything that you guys have going on, discovery, R&D, and it's a really exciting place. And I wanted you to tell me a little bit about the facility, Xandra.
Okay, so here at the Research and Innovation Lab, we developed our targeted microbial solutions, and that's really to improve animal performance. But some of the other things we also look at is animal-based protein to make sure that they're safe for the consumers to eat. And so one of the ways we do that when we start looking at our customers' facilities, and we look to see which pathogens or other stressors are on those farms, and that's what we use to develop our new solutions, or the solutions specifically for a customer. But then we're also continually doing new research, and we're really trying to understand what issues our customers face, so that we can develop new products for them so they can overcome some of the issues that they are either facing right now or going to be facing in the future.
Very good. And what's unique about what you do here at the lab?
I think what's really unique is the people we have here. We've got a lot of very passionate, educated scientists, and very smart people, and they know we've got a lot of different scientific areas that we work in. So for example, bacterial genetics. So we'll sequence the bacterial genomes of both pathogens and some of our beneficial microbes, so we can really develop an in-depth understanding of them. The other thing we also look at is the microbiota, and so that's the bacteria and archaea and fungi that are present in the gastrointestinal tract, and see how they then, one, change as the animals become older, so there's a succession that occurs, and as well as looking at different performance characteristics. So animals that are growing very well, what is different in their microbiota than animals that are doing poorly? We also have a team that just studies immunology. So that could be either in poultry or pigs or in ruminants, where they really try and understand how our products are affecting the immune system, but also just understanding as animals develop what happens to the immune system as they're growing, and how we can maybe modify that in some way to keep the animals performing better. Some of the other things we're also doing is we're continually developing new products as well, and we get a lot of samples, environmental samples in, that we then screen through for either spore-forming bacteria or lactic acid bacteria that we can use to develop our new products. And then one thing that we've been doing recently, and this is so that we can get in more samples from our customers both in the US and globally, we've been increasing our automated liquid handling capacity. So these are our robots. So we continue developing our robotic systems so that we can get more samples coming in to help our customers.
Very good. I mean, when I came here the first time and looked at everything you were doing, from robotics to genome sequencing, to just all of the different specialized equipment you have here, it seems like a really unique place, that you're doing some things that nobody else is doing here.
We like to think that we're cutting edge. We're continually looking in the literature, following what other people are doing. We also do a lot of collaboration with academic universities and stuff as well. So they're also helping us to make sure that we stay cutting edge, and that we know what the new technologies are that are coming out that we can use to help us develop new products.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for all the information today, Xandra.
Thank you.
This is Sarah Mikesell with the Poultry site.